Today we will learn about the applied branches of biology. Pathology, it is the study of diseases, their causes and effects. For example, the study of cancer. Entomology, this is the branch of zoology that deals with insects. For example, the study of honeybees. Veterinary science, it deals with the diagnosis, treatment, and prevention of diseases in animals. For example, veterinary doctors treat pets and farm animals. Fishery, it is the science of breeding, rearing, and harvesting fish. It includes both freshwater fishery and marine fishery. For example, fish farming and prawn culture. Apiculture, the practice of beekeeping for honey and wax. For example, rearing of honeybees. Sericulture, the rearing of silkworms for silk production. For example, mulberry silkworm farming. Poultry, the rearing of domestic birds for eggs and meat. For example, chicken farming. Horticulture, the science of growing fruits, vegetables, and ornamental plants. For example, cultivation of mango orchards. Molecular biology, the study of biological processes at the molecular level. For example, DNA replication research. Dairy farm technology, the science of milk production and processing. For example, making cheese and butter. Pharmacology, the study of drugs and their effects on living systems. For example, development of antibiotics. Food technology, the study of food processing and preservation. For example, canning of vegetables. Medical science, the science of diagnosing, treating, and preventing human diseases. For example, surgery and medicine. Agriculture, the science of crop cultivation and farming practices. For example, wheat farming. Forensic science, the use of scientific techniques for crime investigation. For example, fingerprint analysis. Agronomy, the science of soil management and crop production. For example, irrigation practices. Anthropology, the study of human evolution, culture, and societies. For example, the study of ancient civilizations. Microbiology, the study of microorganisms such as bacteria, viruses, and fungi. For example, the study of E. coli bacteria. Food microbiology, the study of microorganisms in food and their role in spoilage and preservation. For example, yeast in bread making. Biotechnology, the use of living organisms and systems to develop products. For example, production of insulin using bacteria. Biochemistry, the study of chemical processes in living organisms. For example, the study of enzymes. Biophysics, the application of physics principles to biological systems. For example, the study of nerve impulses. Sylviculture and forestry, the practice of controlling the establishment, growth, and quality of forests. For example, timber production. Conclusion: applied branches of biology help us to understand, apply, and improve various fields of science and daily life. Thank you.